Hey everybody, Gary Porter here. I want to give you a look at what I'm building. Duplicating another guy's machine that does work, so this should work eventually once I get it fine-tuned. And I've got the Samsung controller that I designed mounted on the top, and that's how easy this thing spins. And it's got a belt, it's got a tensioner here which you can slide up and down to give the belt some tension. And then over here I've got a fixed tensioner, but you can also play with the adjustment on that too. So that's pretty cool. I got two more ECM motors back here. They're not hooked up yet. I've got to realign, get the collar on here. But before I do that, I want to get I want to check the AC coming out of here and make sure all these are in phase, so that I've got three phases being generated here. These three groups at the top up here, there's three groups, A, B, and C. These are the pickup coils that are wrapped around the power coils. There are two dual coils wrapped around. So I've got 8 wires involved with each of the phases on the Samsung power coils. And this is a Hall effect. I got to hook that up. And but other than that, I'm amazed at how smooth this is. It took me forever. I had to shim the rotor to the shaft. I had to shim inside. The stator had to be shimmed on one side, and that's it. The pillow blocks are pretty simple. There's all 3/4 shaft. This is a coupling for this particular gear here, and I got. I think this one is. Not sure. I think this one's 18 teeth, and these are 2 17s. And we'll start there and see what the hell happens. But anyway, I got it physically so it spins, and so I'm just waiting for this goop to dry on this connector. I had to move this connector for these the 3 phases coming out of this ECM motor generator setup. And once that goop is dry, then I can fire this thing up. Anyway, have a good day.